Hello students. So we are doing that chapter surface chemistry, and yesterday we have started catalyst. Catalyst means those which increase the rate of reaction or which speed up the rate of reaction. These are maybe homogeneous and heterogeneous that we have already discussed, maybe negative or maybe positive on the basis of their activity, how they are acting as a catalyst during the reaction. So today we will discuss about the characteristics of catalyst. First one is this catalyst remain unchanged, means during any chemical reaction itself these are not involved in the reaction, it only speed up the rate of reaction, or maybe in some cases it inhibit the rate of reaction. So it not changed during any chemical reaction. Next is only a small amount of catalyst is required for the reaction to speed it up, like we have done that decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and carbon dioxide, that water and oxygen. Then decomposition of this hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, only 1 gram of platinum is required as a catalyst. So small amount of catalyst is sufficient to speed up the rate of reaction. And these catalysts only speed up the rate of reaction but it not initiate the reaction. And these catalysts are specific in nature. Specific in nature means कि if only one particular reaction is catalyzed by a one particular catalyst, it does not mean कि that catalyst speed up the rate of reaction any other reaction also. So these are specific in nature कि only a particular reaction can be speed up by the catalyst, it not be catalyzed by the another type of reactions. Catalytic promoters. Catalytic promoter means those which themselves are not the catalyst, but when mixed with the catalyst are speed that catalytic power of those catalyst or increase the efficiency of catalyst are known as a catalytic promoters. Next is the catalytic poisons. Catalytic poisons means which inhibit the activity of a catalyst or destroy the activity of catalyst, like during the formation of ammonia, iron is poison or inhibited by the presence of hydrogen sulfide and carbon monoxide in the formation of ammonia or in the synthesis of ammonia. So it hydrogen sulfide and carbon monoxide act as a catalytic poisons which poisons the activity of iron. Next is the effect of temperature. This catalyst in the activity of a catalytic power of this catalyst increase with the increase in temperature, but after some time it increases. After a certain temperature it starts decreases. So the temperature, that temperature where activity of this catalyst or catalytic power of a catalyst is maximum is known as a optimum temperature. Optimum temperature means that temperature where the catalytic power of any catalyst is maximum. So next these are the enzymes catalyst. So this we have done that inorganic catalyst. Now the enzyme catalyst. Enzyme catalyst means enzymes are produced in the living plants and animals. Like many reactions which are taking place in the body of a living plants and animals are catalyzed by the enzymes. And those enzymes are known as a biochemical catalyst which speed up the rate of a biological process. Like cane sugar, it is converted into fructose and glucose, and enzyme is invertase. So this invertase is a biochemical enzyme which speed up the rate of reaction. Next is like conversion of milk into curd. Now characteristics of these enzyme catalyst. These enzyme catalyst, like the other inorganic catalyst, these are highly efficient catalyst. Highly efficient catalyst means कि these reactions which are catalyzed by the enzyme catalyst are very fast as compared to the inorganic catalyst. So these are more efficient. Next, these are highly specific in nature कि only one catalytic power is used in one type of reaction, not all the type of reactions. Like in this only invertase enzyme is used to convert this cane sugar into fructose and glucose. But the same catalytic or same enzyme catalyst is not used for the another type of reaction. So these are highly specific in nature. Temperature dependence. Like the inorganic substances or in the catalyst, same way these biological catalyst or the enzymes are also depends upon the temperature, and the temperature where the rate of this catalytic power is maximum or is known as the optimum temperature, and this rate depends upon the temperature or it increases with the increase in temperature. pH dependence. pH dependence means this activity of this enzyme catalyst also varies with the pH of the system. So pH, that pH where the catalytic power of catalyst is maximum is known as a optimum pH. Next is enzyme activity that is increased by the presence of certain other substances which are known as a coenzymes. Means activity of one catalyst is increased by the presence of another substance which is known as a coenzymes. Thank you.